A whole orchestra to play a symphony. I'm not playing this particular symphony alone, but we have a whole orchestra with me. I have Tobias Chanji all the way from the coast. We do have also David Mudoka, who will be joining us much later from the City Centre's studio. We have Brenda Kirubo. Winfrey Owino is with us to tell us what is trending, and also Sahada Hassan. She's with us this morning as well. So welcome aboard. We begin with what is happening at the coast this morning, and Tobias Chanji will tell us more on what he has on his diary this morning. Tobias, good morning.
Very good morning, Dibal. The Azimio's presidential candidate, that's Raila Odinga, will be starting this morning a 4-day tour at the coast region with a number of rallies today in Taita Taveta County, where he's expected to have rallies at Hundanyi, Mwatate and Voi. Thereafter, tomorrow, he'll have similar rallies in Kwale County by having an early morning rally at Samburu before heading to Lungalunga constituency. Then thereafter, he'll be finishing up at Ukunda with a major rally. On Thursday, Odinga with his brigade will be in Mombasa County. Then on Friday, they'll be finishing up that 4 days tour at Kilifi County. And remember that Odinga is coming at a time where there is a simmering rift between ODM party and other parties, especially the Wiper party. Just a moment ago, I've spoken to the chairperson of the Wiper party, that is Chirau Ali Makwere, who is also Kwale gubernatorial candidate. Is saying that they won't attend that rally, especially in Kwale and Mombasa, saying that they've not been consulted on his coming or about the rallies. Remember the last time, that is last month, when Odinga was also toured the coast region, we know what happened in Mombasa, where Mike Songo was even not allowed to step outside in a rally that was happening in Nyali constituency. And when he was also in Kwale County, Makwere was missing in action. So they've threatened that they won't be attending that rally. And it will be happening at the same time on Friday. Of course, we're expecting a verdict from the courts of whether Mike Songo will be on the ballot paper of the 9th August general elections, or he won't be allowed to vie for that gubernatorial seat. Remember that